These types of story problems are called missing addend addition story problems. So in these types of stories, we know what's happening in the beginning, so we know one part, and we know how many they have at the end, but we don't know how many they have in the middle. So I'm going to give you a strategy called the beginning, middle, and end strategy to help us determine what the equation is. So let's read the story together. Mrs. Harriman baked 7 cookies. Miss Schmidt baked some more. Now they have 13 cookies. How many cookies did Miss Schmidt bake? So just like when we read a story, we have a beginning, middle, and end. So when we have an equation, we also have a beginning, a middle, and an end of the story. So I'm going to use each part of the story to come up with my equation. Now let's read the first sentence again. Mrs. Harriman baked 7 cookies. How many cookies? 7 cookies. That's what's happening in the beginning of my story. Now the middle of my story. Let's read the next sentence. Miss Schmidt baked some more. Well, if she's baking more, my numbers are going to get bigger. So I know that I need a plus sign. How many did she bake? We don't know. It says that she baked some more. So this number, we don't know. She baked some more, but we don't know how many. And at the end of the story, let's see what's happening there. Let's read the last sentence. Now they have 13 cookies. Okay, so the end of my story tells me they had 13 cookies. Now I need to solve 7 plus blank equals 13. Well, I know I have 7 and I want to get to 13, so I can count on from 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many did we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is 6. How many cookies did Miss Schmidt bake? She baked 6 cookies.